Welcome. If you could give us your name and let us know who you represent, and then go ahead with your testimony.
Certainly, thank you, Madam Chair. My name is Jeff Regal, and today I'm here on behalf of the Colorado Defense Lawyers Association. We'd like to thank Representative Salazar and Melton for bringing this bill. However, because of a couple provisions in the bill, we oppose its passage. Our concern lies with two aspects of the bill. The first is the section on enforcement relief. Our concern is that language such as contained in that section of the bill has potential for abuse of the civil system. Similar language in other bills dealing with other sorts of issues like this have been shown to be abusive of the civil justice system without advancing the particular cause that it is intended to correct. The second portion of the bill that we are concerned about is we believe that it has the potential to create a protected class if the courts were to look at the bill and analyze it, and they would view the homeless as a protected class. And our concern with that is by doing that, notwithstanding the efforts to do so, it would involve the judiciary in the homeless process. And we believe that the judicial system is not particularly well structured for handling complex social problems such as homeless. And so we would be concerned about building an act and creating an unintended consequence of the protected class of homeless.
Thank you, Mr. Regal. Are there questions, committee?
We have a protected class of bankers.
Hey, Madam Chair, thank you, Mr. Regal. Could you describe what the legal term of our protected class is and why that gives rise to concern?
Mr. Regal?
Thank you, Madam Chair. Representative Willett, yes, a protected class is a defined group of people sharing a common characteristic that are treated under the Constitution in a way that requires heightened scrutiny by the courts for any act or action that may be taken for or against them.
That's it? Thought I saw a hand up there. Representative Salazar.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. So, sir, as you know, the state of Colorado has a number of protected classes already under the civil rights statute laws. And I believe way back when the civil rights statute laws were enacted, that was the same argument that was made by business was, well, you're creating a protected class. Number one, I don't know what the offense is by creating a protected class if the statute did such a thing. But number two, why would you have a problem with protecting the least amongst us if this indeed created a protected class?
Mr. Regal?
Thank you, Madam Chair. Representative Salazar, I think you're misconstruing the point that we're making here. It isn't that we have a problem with the homeless being treated. What we are objecting to is involving the judicial system as an entity in dealing with the homeless problem, because the judicial system is essentially set up to face an AOD decision. It's an adversarial system. Homelessness is a complex civil social problem that requires inputs from municipalities, from the legislature, from community services, and we believe that adding the judiciary into that scenario would
The judicial system's already involved, or we wouldn't be here.
efforts of those entities to deal with the homeless problem.
Representative Salazar.
Just one last question. So then, how does criminalizing the homeless, how does that help out the situation?
Mr. Regal?
Representative Salazar's is a civil defense organization, and quite honestly, I would not qualify it and do not have any opinion as to whether criminalization has any role in this problem.
Any other questions, committee? Seeing none, thanks for coming in and giving us your testimony today.